question posed to YouTube Bootcamp is, should you hire yourself to make videos? Hello, I'm Sheri Barbera. If you're a small business owner, professional, or creative, the cost to hire a videographer based on 30,000 jobs posted on Thumbtack for 1 to 3 minutes of video might be why you should hire yourself. In the last 2 years on average, video production costs were between $880 and $1,200 nationwide for 1 to 3 minutes of video. This cost is based on a few factors, including the total runtime of the video, the number of cameras required, the location, and graphics. The average YouTube video has changed from 2.5 minutes to 11.7 minutes long. So does video length matter? How long should it be to save on costs? Whether you hire a videographer or film yourself, your goal in each video should be to make your content as concise as possible to achieve the highest engagement. Your audience probably won't watch to the end of the video, whether it's 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Therefore, if your message is complex, give it the time it deserves, but front load your video with the most important information right at the beginning. If your message is short and simple, save money and time and keep it short and simple. According to Wistia, shorter videos get more engagement than longer videos. But according to YouTube, videos at 10 minutes and longer are more valuable to them because they can show 3 ads during a 10-minute video and make more revenue. Plus, if your channel is a part of the YouTube Partner Program, you'll make more money too. This might offset the cost of hiring a videographer, so keep that in mind. How do you decide to hire a pro or hire yourself? Well, when you're a new YouTuber or new to social media marketing, the pros and cons include the cost to hire a videographer, which are based on the total runtime of the video, the number of cameras and equipment required, location, and graphics. Many professional videographers will consult with clients and then provide a quote based on the requirements necessary to complete your video. But they don't offer a standard pricing menu. So if you're wondering whether you should hire a professional or film yourself, here are 16 pros and cons of hiring yourself to make your videos. So what are the pros of hiring a videographer? Number 1, working with a video production company will elevate the quality of your video to professional status immediately. Number 2, the videographer will know how to improve your video in ways that you haven't even thought of. Number 3, the quality of your video is important and they already have professional cameras, lights, mics, everything. Number 4, they can help with a script and a teleprompter. Number 5, they can film, edit, and post videos quickly due to their experience. Number 6, they can help you with styling like makeup, hair, and clothing choices to look your best. Number 7, they have experience and they already know what looks good. And number 8, a freelancer who is still in the process of building a client base might just price their videography more competitively. So, in conclusion, an experienced videographer may command high fees, but they also work faster, they have specialized areas of expertise, and deliver a high-quality product. If filming yourself is daunting and you can afford to hire a pro, well, that's a quick solution to getting your videos on your channel quickly that look professional. So what are the cons of hiring a videographer? Well, of course, number 1 is the cost. You're paying for their expertise. Number 2, time to fit into their schedule. Number 3, time to go up and back to their studio multiple times. Number 4, you'll need to continually hire them if you're doing YouTube as a business. Number 5, you're using their idea of what looks good. Number 6, they're in effect branding you. Number 7, you will not learn how to film or edit. And number 8, they're in control. So in conclusion, an experienced videographer is an ongoing expense. You'll need to keep hiring them to maintain the professional look they give your channel. And you won't learn how to do it yourself, and you'll have to rely on them in their time frame and their schedule. So what are the pros of filming yourself? Well, let's start with number 1. When you're just starting out, you can save money by making videos yourself. Number 2, learning how to make your own videos lets you be in control of filming the day, the time, and the place. Number 3, you'll become a pro at it when you film every day. Number 4, you'll learn how to elevate the quality of your video to professional status. Number 5, you discover how to improve your videos as you get better at it. Number 6, you gain confidence in front of the camera. Pretty huge. Number 7, you become proficient at editing and posting. And the bonus, number 8, you can hire out your services and make additional money. So in conclusion, you're in control, you're learning, you're bettering yourself and your channel, and you're gaining the confidence you need to produce consistently branded videos on a regular basis. So what are the cons of filming yourself? Well, number 1, you have to invest in the equipment to film yourself that you don't already own. Number 2, there is a learning curve to using the equipment. Number 3, you need to be disciplined to set your own filming schedule. Number 4, you have to ruthlessly evaluate the quality of your videos and elevate them. Number 5, you need to learn how to edit. Number 6, you have to overcome your fears of being in front of the camera. Number 7, you need to write and edit your own scripts. And number 8, you need a regular place to film and edit, which might take over a room in your office or home. So, in conclusion, there's a learning curve, there's an expense, and simply the fear of not knowing what to do. I know that getting in front of the camera can be daunting, but if you think of the lens as the eyes of a friend or your favorite customer and speak directly to them the way you really would, you'll find it's much easier to create a genuine video with true feelings and emotions. So don't be afraid to smile, don't be afraid to laugh, or even think the way you would if you were actually talking to your friend or client. Because when you post your videos on your YouTube channel, that's exactly who's going to be watching. You can hire yourself with a small investment and your time to learn how to film, edit, and upload your videos. When you're new to YouTube and have to film and edit videos yourself, you're out of your comfort zone. But once you've done it and made 20 to 30 videos, it becomes your new comfort zone and you're able to take on additional production tasks. Fear creates paralysis, otherwise known as procrastination. Instead, let fear be your motivator to learn new things, gain more confidence, and achieve the success you deserve. YouTube Bootcamp is here to help you. We know small businesses make a big difference, and that makes the world a better place. I'm Sheri Barbera, the CEO and founder of YouTube Bootcamp, and I'll see you in the next video.